Encouraging news on the U.S. economy helping to give stocks a bit of a lift in Thursday's trading. Mortgage rates are getting even more affordable. Interest rates fell to record lows once again. A 30-year fixed-rate mortgage now down to just 4.32%, according to mortgage finance company Freddie Mac. Other encouraging signs on the U.S. economy, a report from the National Association of Realtors showed pending home sales rose unexpectedly in July, and a separate report showed jobless claims fell last week. The news comes just a day ahead of the monthly non-farm payrolls report. Big discounts helped to fuel retail sales in August. U.S. retailers posted sales that beat forecasts during the key back-to-school season. Burger King shares jumped on news the company had agreed to be bought by investment firm 3G Capital. The price tag, a sizzling $3.26 billion. That works out to a 46% premium from before the news of a possible deal leaked out on Wednesday. Hewlett-Packard is the winner in the battle for data storage company 3PAR. Its $2.4 billion offer beat out rival Dell, which says it will walk away with a $72 million breakup fee. Hurricane Earl has been downgraded to a Category 3 hurricane, but is still headed up to the barrier islands of North Carolina with dangerous winds. It is expected to turn towards the northeast and sweep up the east coast on Friday. That, along with news of an explosion at an offshore oil and gas platform in the Gulf of Mexico, sent oil prices higher. Alan Valdez of DME Securities.
But if this becomes another BP, which no one wants to hear about, it will definitely weigh on the markets. We saw that when BP really exploded, it weighed on the market.
Taking a look at the closing markets in the U.S., the major averages all closed to the upside. And in Europe, stocks were mostly flat. Bobby Rebell, Reuters.
At GE Capital, we're out there every day with clients like JetBlue, financing their fleet, sharing our expertise, and working with people who are changing the face of business in America. After 25 years in the aviation business, I kind of feel like if you're not having fun at what you do, then you've got the wrong job.
My landing was better than yours.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Was not.
Yes, it was. What do you think? Take one of the big ones out?
Nah.